Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. One of our subscriber called me. He got fired from the organization because submitting degree certificate. He submitted degree certificate and that certificate is not pure one. Okay. He is very educated person. He did more than 2 degrees, but however he submitted certificate and now he got fired from the organization without any proper relieving letter effective. Immediately they terminated. So once they identified, immediately the day one itself they terminated from the organization. You have been worked more than 5 years, but once they identified morning 9 o'clock and they fired evening 5 o'clock from the organizations. He cannot utilize that experience for future organization. But how much effort? Almost 5 years, right? You may ask, so what that organization did in last 5 years? Okay, the last 5 years, when he was joined before 5 years, the background verification process is different. Okay, whatever you submit, they agreed at the time, but now things are happening in different way. There are a lot of fake candidates, fake profiles, fake resume, and fake certificates are roaming around the industry. Okay, think about the market is opening. If market is opening, they will give strong focus on hiring process. When we focus on hiring process, definitely background verification is the heart of hiring process. Okay, you will face the interview, you have ability to achieve the interview even though if you doesn't have proper degree. However, you will not get the opportunity. Maybe your background verification will be rejected, or even you joined, they will terminate you immediately, because each and every organization is having individual rules and regulations HR and manager has to follow. So please understand one thing. When we talk about big MNCs, when you join in the organization, your HR or your reporting manager will not do the background verification. Please understand. Okay, MNCs will assign separate vendor, separate organization. They will do the background verification, will share the summary report. What is the instructions when they initiated background verification process, whether all the checks success or failed, those information will be captured in the background verification report. In the summary page, the first page, each and every check, whatever applicable check, especially your criminal check, educational validations, employee history, your address verification and all, success or failed information will be there in the summary. Inside the report, they can able to find entire breakup when they interacted with your previous organization, when they verified your PF account. Okay, those information will be logged in the report. Totally detailed information will be there, but your HR will not verify it, your manager will not do that, verification team will do initially. Okay, so the dual employment case is different. Once you joined, people are checking now. Even though your background verification completed successfully, now they are checking your previous service history based on PF account. Every month, especially in MNCs, every month they are checking whether you are doing the dual employment or moonlight activity currently after joined in this organization. Okay, so now, what you need to do once you fired? Okay? Don't think about problems. Let's think about solution. What you need to do? Then stand, move forward. During once you uploaded documents, what is happening? I'm educating our channel. If you watch our channel continuously, you will get the clear picture what people are doing, especially corporate industry, how they are verifying, how they are identifying fake certificate, fake degree certificate, dual employment and all. Everything I am educating. If you watch my videos continuously, you will get the clear picture. Now, once you fired, first thing is try to get the justification. What is the reason for fired? Okay, and then second thing is try to negotiate your problem with your HR. So this is what happened. So I understand. Is there any possible way to revisit fired record? Is there any possible way to provide relieving letter properly as per organization guideline? But you supposed to be should have good rapport with your client, good rapport in the organization. There should not be any black mark error in your performance, which is most important thing. But some of the organization, as I mentioned, they have individual rules and regulation, internal guideline. They need to follow that. So usually, if you submit any fake documents, company has to terminate you as per the company's law. As per the company's law. Okay. So think about it. Always educate about this to your friends. If any of your friends try to submit any documents, any fake documents, edited documents, fake certificates, fake degree certificates, educate about it. What is happening in the IT industry? Okay, and market is too strong nowadays. Okay, they will focus on how to do the verification, how to filter the candidates. If you give any opportunity to send you out, they are so happy, right? Nowadays I recently uploaded about recession 2020. I will try to give the link in this video. If you have time, you can watch that video as well. Okay, so don't give opportunity to organization to send you out. Okay, I hope you are watching till end. If you watch till now, please subscribe and share to your friends. And if you face any background verification related problems, approach to me. Give your information clearly over the mail. My mail id and UPI id also available in this video description. You can drop mail to me, clear information. I need problem description clearly. Okay, if there is any solution, definitely I will respond. Okay, if you don't give your information properly, I will not respond, because I'm getting huge mail every day, because I am the only one person interact subscribers positively and directly. Okay, I'm spending time with my subscribers. I have fixed many of our followers issues. They are working in big MNCs. If you are planning to do the business, no issues. If you want to assume that you did the dual employment, or you fired, you terminated, if you're planning to do the business, nothing will happen. Okay, you are not going to depend on the month on month salary, which means you are not going to join in the companies. But if you try to join in the company, you need to think about it. Plus, use your tricks first. If you face any challenges, if you are not happy, or if you are struggling where you need to go, how to start, definitely I will help you. But consulting fee has to be paid. Please remember that point. Okay, because every day I'm getting huge mail. Okay, I'm not a robo, right? I cannot respond immediately. I cannot give auto mails. I need to understand your problem. I need to spend time with you. I cannot spend my personal time every day, right? If it is one or two people, I can spend. There are thousands of people approaching to me over the mail, over the call, and in social media as well. Okay, you can follow me in Facebook as well as in Twitter, LinkedIn. I will publish the link in this video description. You can approach to me, but consulting fee has to be paid. Okay, take care, all the best. Always subscribe and share this video, give thumbs up. Take care.